YC, Mathematics and Physics, University Calculus, Lesson 18, Definition of Derivative. This is Part 2. We start with an example. Y equals f of x and equals x cubed minus 2x plus 7. Remember, the definition of derivative is y prime is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, and takes the limit. The limit is h goes to 0. So this is the definition. Use the definition. We do this. Y prime is x plus h cubed minus 2 x plus h plus 7. And you subtract f of x. Subtract this. X cubed minus 2x plus 7. This part is f of x. And you divide the whole thing by h. And you take the limit. H goes to 0. Okay, this is what we have according to the definition. Now, I must expand x plus h cubed. How do I expand that? We need a formula. The formula is this: a plus b cubed. What is a plus b cubed? We write this 1, 3, 3, 1. And then you write a cubed, right? So a cubed. And then the next term is a squared. So next term is just a. And the next term, you have no a. For the b part, you have b cubed. And this is b squared. And this is b. And no b. So this is the formula. A plus b cubed is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Use this formula to expand that. So my y prime is equal to limit h goes to 0, and I have a fraction a cubed, that's x cubed, plus 3. A is x, so x squared. B is h, plus 3. A is x, B is H plus B is H. So this is x plus h cubed minus, let me extend the fraction line, minus 2x minus 2h plus 7 minus x cubed minus minus is plus 2x minus plus is minus 7. Oh, the numerator is very long, and the denominator is h. Now equals limit h goes to 0. I have a long fraction line. Look, x cubed and minus x cubed cancels. Minus 2x plus 2x cancels. Plus 7 minus 7 cancels. So what I have left is this term, this term, and this term. Let's see now. This cancelled. 2h. I have minus 2h. Plus 7 minus 7 cancel. So that's all I have. And h in the denominator. What do you see now? I see h, 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 h. So I can factor out h. Limit h goes to 0. I have a fraction, factor out h. Then I have 3x squared left. Here, factor out h. I have 3xh. Here, I factor out h. I have h squared left. Here, I factor out h. I have only minus 2 left. At the bottom, close the bracket. Yeah, at the bottom, I have h. You see, this h and this h cancels. So I have 3x squared, 3xh plus h squared minus 2. Now I do the limit. The limit is just h goes to 0. Now look here. This h goes to 0, so this is gone. This h goes to 0, so this is gone. So what I'm left is 3x squared minus 2. Therefore, after I take the limit, I have 3x squared minus 2. This is my answer. So this is my derivative. by using the definition of derivative. And in this example, I need a formula, this. I need a formula a plus b cubed. And remember the 4 numbers, 1, 3, 3, 1. Have you studied Pascal's triangle? Have you learned Pascal's triangle? Here, 1, you start with 1, and you write 1 and 1. And then you start with 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 1, 2, and you have 1 here. And the next line is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 here. 1, 3, 3, 1 is here, right here. 1, 3, 3, 1. This is called Pascal's triangle. And this line stands for a plus b cubed. What is this line? It's a plus b squared. So you see, what is the expansion of a plus b squared? Is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What is the expansion of cube? A cubed, 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Can you extend this to a plus b to the power 4? Of course I can. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And I have 1. So for 4th power, I have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. What does this tell us? This tells me a formula. A plus b to the power 4 is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Here, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And you put a to the power 4 here. And then you have a to the power 3 here. And then you have a to the power 2 here. And then you have a only. And no a. For b, you go this way. Go this way. For b, you have b to the power 4. And b to the power 3. And b to the power 2. And b to the power 1. And no b. So add. That's your formula for power 4. You get it? You got it? So power 4 is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That's it. Okay. So you have the example now. So the next, you are able to do some practice questions. So, do you see this? Okay, this is your, I have 10 practice questions. See that you have a cube here, so you need to use the formula for cube. And a square is just a review, because in part 1, you have square there. Practice that. Square. If you expand this, it's square. Expand this, x is squared. Here you have x cubed. Use the cube formula. Here you have x cubed. Use the cube formula. Here you have 4th power. Use the 4th power formula I just give you. And this is cubed. So, copy these questions and practice these problems. Okay, I leave this page for a while for a few minutes so that you can copy them down. And in the meantime, I will say that this is the end of the lesson 18. And I will see you next lesson, lesson 19. And in lesson 19, we will talk about if the given function is a fraction. How do we do that? Okay, copy these problems. And I'll see you next lesson. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.